Now, there have been different strains of the coronavirus for a number of years, and actually since 2003, the U.S. government has spent $7 million on research trying to develop a vaccine for coronavirus.
But as News 4 troubleshooter April Molina reports for us tonight, a lot of people are concerned this taxpayer investment will now be sold to the highest bidder, making a vaccine unaffordable.
The president has given the impression that a vaccine is just around the corner. That is not true. We will not have any vaccine this year. We will not have any blockbuster cure.
But the U.S. has gotten a jump on a coronavirus vaccine due to years of research taken on by the National Institutes of Health following the SARS outbreak. The COVID-19 is the third coronavirus in the United States to go from animals to humans and around the world. SARS in 2002, then MERS in 2012, now the novel coronavirus, which has made it to 6 of the 7 continents.
My goal is to ensure that once we get a vaccine, that it's affordable for the people that have paid for it.
Congressman Lloyd Doggett and dozens of other House members wrote a letter to the president on the heels of a public citizen report detailing the taxpayer-funded research. Millions of dollars spent on the development of potential vaccines and treatments. One of the treatments is now being put through clinical trials to see if it is effective in the fight against the novel coronavirus.
We are concerned that the present administration might offer a monopoly or no-bid contracts to particular members of the pharmaceutical industry. And in turn, that big pharma might create a very expensive vaccine.
It's the taxpayers who put the down payment on this. Consumer advocates at Public Citizen want to ensure the result is a cost-effective vaccine that's accessible to all Americans.
What we don't need are any more handouts or giveaways to the pharmaceutical industry. What we need is some restraint on the prices that are charged.
In response to a question about affordability, U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar said, "We would want to ensure that we work to make it affordable, but we can't control the price because we need the private sector to invest. The priority is to get vaccines and therapeutics. Price controls won't get us there."
We need the cooperation of pharmaceutical companies, but we need their involvement to be in a way that is open and transparent and led by science and public policy.
It's not just the cost of vaccines they're worried about, but also the potential cost of treatment, testing, and supplies needed to protect against the coronavirus.